I left my Bitcoin wallet somewhere along the Glacier Express line. What's up, everyone? I'm Saida. Welcome to a special edition of Ask a Bitcoiner 21 Questions. So, when I started this podcast, I didn't think I'd be leaving private keys everywhere. I really just wanted to learn from other Bitcoiners, share experiences with them, and feel slightly less lonely on my Bitcoin journey. But here we are, on a train in Switzerland, looking for my private keys. Along the way, I've met some wonderful people, including my collaborator and builder of incredible Bitcoin accessories, Orange Manufacturing Group. We brainstormed different ways to differentiate this podcast. Cashew token? Check. The first person who scans it in an episode gets the token worth 2,100 sats. That's cool and everything, and Cashew is a fantastic alternative to Lightning, but it isn't quite challenging enough. We needed more. And so Orange Manufacturing Group said, what about a treasure hunt? 21,000 sats to the first person who finds the seed phrase and sweeps the wallet. Check. So here we are, on a train in gorgeous Switzerland, helping me find my private key. Good luck on this treasure hunt and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Six, an ingredient in la sauce américaine. Three, check the pinned comment. Nine, Switzerland consistently ranks amongst the top in this type of care.
Electric money.
7. They're dead, but inspired this society, in the singular.
Electric money.
1. Albert Einstein was born in Germany and lived in the US, but he was also a Swiss citizen. What was he known for?
Show me the money. Zap, zap, zap. Stack, stack, stack. Electric money.
Eleven. These are highly efficient when taking the train in Switzerland, often requiring only 4 to 7 minutes.
Electric money. Electric money. Electric money. Oh, baby, 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 I got you making me sure me. But all I gotta do is try you, baby. You leave me, you leave me. Oh, electric money. Baby, electric money. Oh, I bet you money. Oh, I got you money, baby. And like that, you man, baby. And I got you, baby.
4. Chocolate or mutant.
Electric money. I want it, I need it.
8. A long time ago in a blank far, far away. A chalet's rustic little sister.
Electric money.
2. Cheerful, jolly, jovial, lively, lighthearted.
No trust.
80s epidemic or in a wall. You won't find this type of edible mollusk in a Swiss lake.